Hi friends, in following my dream of making physics popular, I have decided to make a new playlist where I try to explain many of the things that we see in life almost daily, but we do not know the reasons. And I hope to do at least a couple of videos every week. So please keep following me. And the first one that I've decided to do is to explain why the sky is blue in color. I'm not talking about sunset in the beginning. I'm just talking about a normal daytime, after sunrise and before sunset. Why is the sky blue? Okay, here we go. Why is the sky blue in color? Well, of course, at night the sky is completely black, which means the sky appears to be what it is because of sunlight. So we need to go look at the sun, and when we look at the sunlight, of course it has visible light, and visible light is made up of all these colors, and its wavelength is increasing all the way from violet to red. As you can see, the wavelength given in meters here is increasing from 4 times 10 to the negative 7 to 7 times 10 to the negative 7, which means blue, or the blue region I must say, has the smallest wavelength, while the red region has the biggest wavelength, right? So that's easily understood. Blue has the smallest wavelength. And then according to Rayleighs Law, so that's the sun shining right there, and the sky appears blue, and what you see here are the air molecules scattering light. So basically the sky is blue in color because of the scattering of light by the air molecules. But they do not scatter all wavelengths equally. It's actually given by Rayleighs Law, and you see that the intensity of the scattered light is inversely proportional to the 4th power of the wavelength, which means the smaller the wavelength, much greater the intensity of light scattered. And since blue has the smallest wavelength, I mean the blue region again, it's that region which is going to be scattered more than the red region. And so blue region having the lowest wavelength is scattered more. Now you know why the sky is blue in color. But what happens at sunrise and sunset? Why is the sky red during sunset? Let's find out. Now remember that at sunset, the distance of the sun from where you are located on the earth is really much higher than during other times because it's sunset. In a few minutes, maybe you're not going to see the sun. So it's kind of, if you look at this diagram, at normal times during the day, you are somewhere here, so the distance that sunlight has to travel to get to you is small. But when you are at this location, for you, the sun is about to set. So now you see that the distance is much greater. And therefore, when sunlight travels that big distance, the blue region is scattered, but scattered off, and there's nothing remaining out of the blue region to reach your eye. But the red, which is not scattered, is not lost, and it manages to reach our eyes. And therefore, at sunset, the sky appears red in color. Thank you, and wait for my next video in the Why series of videos that I'm making. Thank you.